Hi guys, this is RC Gaming and today we're unboxing the new Huawei P10 Lite. Let's open the box. Here we have the phone in an ugly plastic bag. Come on Huawei, you could done better. Just take a second and look at that gorgeous sapphire blue color. Here we have some paperwork, the warranty, and that's it. Some phones come with a case, but not this one. Now the second box, it comes with some headphones with 3.5mm jack, a charger, a wall charger. It comes with quick charge, 9 volts per 2 amps, so pretty fast. And the last object from the box is the micro USB cable, so not USB Type-C, although we are in 2017, but yes, what can I do? Let's power this baby up. We can see the Huawei logo and powered by Android. It is a 1080 display, so full HD. The blacks are blacks, deep blacks, and the whites are very nice. As I said, it is a gorgeous 1080p display. It's powered by a Kirin 658 octa-core, so that means it's a very snappy phone. Subscribe, like the video, and see you next time. Bye.